Meet your strawman. As a child, you have had an imaginary friend. You may be surprised to learn that evidence exists that you have had a make-believe twin from the time your mother and father permitted a CULB to be filed for you. This make-believe friend is not real, but artificial. It is a strawman, an artificial entity that has a name very similar to yours. Here is a definition of strawman. Strawman. A front. A third party who is put up in name only to take part in a transaction. Nominal party to a transaction. Black's Law Dictionary, 6th. Strawman. The term is also used in commercial and property contexts when a transfer is made to a party, the strawman, simply for the purpose of retransferring to the transferor in order to accomplish some purpose not otherwise permitted. Barron's, 3rd. So, in layman's terms, what is a strawman? The strawman is an artificial person. The strawman was created by law shortly after you were born via the registration of the application for your CULB. The name for the strawman is your name in all capital letters. You will notice that the inscription on the birth certificate is the name in all capital letters. The English language has precise rules of grammar that make no provision for writing proper nouns in all capital letters. So, the name spelled with all capital letters is a fictitious name. Your strawman has a same-sounding name as your name, but is an artificial entity which exists only by force of or in contemplation of law. The all-caps name is not your true name, which consists of the given, Christian, name plus the surname, family name, and appears with only initial letters capitalized. The all-caps version of your name is a trade name, the name under which you do business. We may also say that the strawman is a person according to the legal dictionary. Person. 1. A human being. 2. An entity, such as a corporation, that is recognized by law as having the rights and duties of a human being. Black's Law Dictionary, 7th. The strawman may also be said to be an artificial person, which is also defined in the legal dictionary. Legal fiction. An entity, such as a corporation, created by law and given certain legal rights and duties of a human being. A being, real or imaginary, who for the purpose of legal reasoning is treated more or less as an human being. Also termed fictitious person, juristic person, legal person, moral person. Black's Law Dictionary, 7th. A strawman may also be thought of as a legal fiction. Legal fiction. Assumption of fact made by court as basis for deciding a legal question. A situation contrived by the law to permit a court to dispose of a matter. Black's Law Dictionary, 5th. As we explore further, we must distinguish between the strawman and the real, flesh and blood being which we will call a man. Man has a legal definition. Human being. A person of the male sex. A male of the human species above the age of puberty. In the most extended, since the term includes not only the adult male sex of the human species, but women and children. In feudal law, a vassal, a tenant or feudatory. Black's Law Dictionary, 5th. So we conclude that man is a term of nature. But who created nature? Some would say God, others would say the Creator, a term often used by the founder of our country, while others might hold a different view. On the other hand, we see person as a term of the civil law. Who is the creator of civil law? Civil law. A rule of civil conduct prescribed by the supreme power of a state, the civil or municipal law of the Roman Empire. Ballantyne's Law Dictionary, 3rd. So kings, emperors, or legislative bodies acting a sovereign capacity are the creators of civil law. When our government acts as a sovereign, it is acting outside its authority.